Hello guys, welcome back to another fun and crazy drawing video with me. Today we are doing something super simple but also super cool. We are going to draw a cute cartoon using only a black pen. No colors, no pencil, no eraser. Just one black pen and lots of creativity. So if you make a mistake, oops, no undo button here, only confidence and fun. Get your black pen ready and let's create some magic with just one color. And guys, here we have a little funny cute story for you guys while we draw, okay? There was a lonely black pen sitting on a desk. It was sad because all the colorful pens were always chosen first. The red pen said, I make hearts. The blue pen said, I make sky. The green pen said, I make trees. And the black pen quietly said, I can make everything. One day the colorful pen went missing. The artist had only one option, the black pen. At first, the artist was worried, but then something amazing happened. The black pen started creating cute cartoons, funny faces, adorable characters. The drawing looked so cool and stylish. Everyone said, Wow, black pen is the best. The black pen smiled and said, See, I don't need color to shine. And today we are going to prove the same thing. Okay, guys? Wow guys, look at your cute cartoons. Who knew a simple black pen could do this much magic? Give yourself a big clap, guys, and tell me honestly, do you make it super cute or accidentally super funny? If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun and easy drawings. Comment below what should we draw next with just a black pen. Okay guys, till then, keep drawing, keep learning art and keep smiling. Take yourself and love yourself guys. Till then, bye bye. Bye bye.